Chandrasekhar is calling us from Bengaluru. Chandrasekhar, thanks so much for calling us, and how can we help you today?
Sir, I have purchased IRFC 5,000 quantity at the rate of 160.
Okay.
Already loss of 10%.
Yes.
Is that price will be averaged
Okay.
or no?
And what is the time horizon that you have, Chandrasekhar, when you bought it? Obviously, you bought it because the prospects in the railway space are significant. But did you think that you would hold it for the long term?
4 to 5 months outlook, sir. 6 months.
4 to 5 months outlook. Okay, 6 months outlook. Okay, at the very on the further end of the spectrum. All right. So it's a short-term question. I'll come back to you, Vaishali, on the charts. Then 10% down right now. He's holding. Would you hold? Would you average? Would you buy more at this juncture? What are the prospects on the upside?
I think he should average out once the stock comes closer towards 133, 135.
Okay, and what are the targets on the upside?
So I guess once we see a reversal coming in, the first target on the upside would be around 155 levels. Above that, we can see around 166, so on. So 166 should act as a crucial hurdle. If we see the stock moving past that, it would get into a strong, good uptrend.
Okay, so that is the view for IRFC. Now the next query is from Ali from Hyderabad, and he wants to understand the view for Somato. He's bought it at a price of 276 and wants to understand whether there is growth from these levels going forward. Samir, I'll come to you on Somato. In this last period, last couple of months, we've seen a little bit of downting as to where the stock price is. Some of the brokerages have also come out wherein they've now started downgrading the stock. What is your view on the fundamentals of a Somato?
So the fundamentals are very good, right? The growth opportunity is very strong. We believe that the quick commerce space will grow. We believe that the food delivery space will grow. But the problem is the competitive intensity that is coming up in the home delivery for the quick service, that is going to increase. And that we've already seen because Swiggy obviously is there. You have Zepto expanding quite quickly. You have Amazon that is going to be making us entry into the home, the quick delivery for homes. You have Flipkart that is talking about it. So with more competitive intensity, I'm not saying the market is not large enough to have all five. I think it is large enough. But if the competitive intensity increases, obviously it makes it a little harder to return to profitability as quickly as probably previously envisaged. So that is one of the reasons that you've seen the stock languishing, I think, over the last 3 months. Plus, you also have to realize that the stock has run up unchecked from all the way from 55 more or less to 300 rupees. So we are seeing the first round of correction that is happening in Zomato. And we've been maintaining for a while that, look, it's going to be difficult to make money on Zomato from the 280 when we spoke last time in the near term, meaning in a 1 or 2 year perspective, because earnings need to catch up in a big way. We need to see Zepto the quick service business of theirs, which is, I forget the brand name, but at the moment, but that needs to start picking up quite quickly. And that is not going to happen according to us. So we felt 200 would be a fair price. If the stock continues to correct, if it comes closer towards 200, we would definitely recommending a buy from a long-term perspective. But at this point of time, we are still midway. So I would stay put.
Yeah, Blinkit is the name that you were trying to recall. Swiggy and Zomato both under pressure today. And of course, the update from Zomato post yesterday's downgrade from Jeffries was that it has restarted its 15-minute food delivery service. I'm curious about what you guys think about that service. Would you be ordering food 15 minutes away? Or would you be willing to wait for the regular, I think, half an hour or so? Half an hour, 45 minutes?
40.
Yeah, all right. I think that half an hour is a decent amount of time to wait for food, right? That's how much time I would take to make my own dinner.